Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get the last active sessions of a user using admin REST API in Keycloak. So let's get started. Now using this particular command, I am already running Keycloak with the help of Docker on my local setup. So I have already ran this command. Then you just need to go to localhost /8080. You just sorry, these are not the credentials. We need to use admin. So these are the credentials. The credentials are also present inside this particular thing itself. So if you want, you can change it over here as well as over here, but I have kept it same. And then I can just click on sign in. Then I can just go back to clients and I'll click on create client. We need to create a client because we need to generate the access token, and we are using the default realm, which is the master realm. So here I'll just name it as my client. You can name it again whatever you feel like, but do remember this name. This name will be used in the REST API. I'll click on next. Then I'll click on check this direct access grant. I'll enable this client authentication. I'll click on next, and then I'll click on save. Okay, so once this is done, let's come back to this API over here. So here we have to pass our domain address. So in my case it is localhost /8080/realm/ with the realm name. So in my case it is master /protocol/openid connect/token, and inside body we need to pass username as admin, password as admin, grant type as password. So yeah, and the client ID was my client. And from where do you get the client secret? So you can just go to credentials over here and copy this client secret, and I can just paste it over here, and I'll just click on send, and here you can see we are able to receive the access token. Now the access token is only valid for 1 minute, so be careful. Now you can change that time. I'm not going into that. I've already made a separate video on that. So here again, to get the user session, again I'll have to use localhost /8080/admin/realm /realm name is master. So I'll just change master over here /user, and here we need to pass the user ID. So I only have this admin user, so I'll just copy that user ID. Now you need to log in with that particular user or to get the session. That's why I'm using the admin only, because I've logged in with that session. So I can just paste the user ID over here. Then we can just go to headers, and here we need to copy the access token. So I'll just remove this particular part. I'll come back over here. I'll click on send again, and I'll just copy this access token, copy this, and here I'll just paste it over here. I'll click on send, and here you can see you are able to see the active sessions which are available for this particular user. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.